All right. Next slide. The forex market is the world's largest market in terms of daily transaction volume and the most liquid. All right. Okay, when we say something is very liquid, we are trying to say the ease of transaction, the ease with which you can actually exchange this currency. For example, when we start doing the when we start doing the app installation, start installing the apps and we start doing the navigations, then you will understand what I'm trying to say. So for example, you see Euro USD, you just click buy, you will see that the something immediately buys because somebody is actually waiting to take the other side of your transaction. For you to buy euro, it means somebody wants to sell euro to you. For you to sell USD, somebody wants to buy it from you. So it's not that you will click buy and then it will be taking time before the something will now buy. No, as you click, it is gone because market is very liquid and somebody is willing to take the other side of your transaction. All right, number two, the market is highly accessible. The market is highly accessible given that it's open 24 hours daily. The market is open as even me and you are sleeping, because I'm doing this record in the night. All right, as we are sleeping, as I'm recording and some are sleeping, the market is still working. The market is open. Like it is the Asian session, the Asian market is open. We are coming there, and then you are in the same business space. All right, I'm just telling you why you should learn and master this skill. These are the reasons. Number three, here you are in the same business space to control your finances as the banks does with your money. So it means you shouldn't be giving the bank your money to keep for you, because you are now in the same business space with the bank. So whatever the bank can do with your money, you too can do it right now. Okay, but it will take time and then mentorship, right? You can pass on the skills you have learned to the next generation, but you have to leverage on our experience. Okay, you have to leverage on our mentorship to be able to scale in to passing the knowledge to your next generation. You'll be surprised that the money you are keeping in your bank, okay, that you just want to keep there and be eating food, the money must finish. Okay, the money will be finished no matter how you want to preserve it. Something will come and use it. So I'm just trying to say it is better you pay for a skill and stay and master it. So but I would like you to stay to the end of the class, down to Sunday, because I have a very, very juicy mentorship package and offer for you. It's not going to be the way it used to be, right? Very, very packaged and juicy. Okay, it can end financial struggles if you learn the right way. Don't even worry about funds. Any amount you want is available to trade. Okay, so right now the forex industry is not that difficult anymore to access fund. Okay, learn first. The most important thing is learn first. Take advantage of this beginners class, learn it very well. If you want to further, chat me up, you further from there. And when it is time for you to put in real money, how to get the money is not the issue. Okay, we'll show you.